Congratulations for making it to the second part of this business presentation. I believe you have successfully gone through the first part of the presentation before you got here. Once again, I say big congratulations because we shall be creating a mind-blowing success stories this season. I'm still your good friend, Engineer Chris, the big boss. Okay, let's get to the main business. It's time to take charge of our lives and build our financial success stories in Boss International. Maybe you are the type that hope on the government or your employer to take good care of you. But the truth is that these people have not even finished taking care of themselves, let alone you. They don't really care if you are dying or surviving. So my dear, you have to take your own destiny in your own hands. We have heard about people that gave their lives to work on their jobs and eventually they were laid off like a piece of trash. And some of them that made it to retirement could not have anything to show for it after decades of service. But if you can, alongside your job, build a sustainable business like Boss International, you will be a better and smarter person financially. Robert Kiyosaki is a successful businessman, an investor and educator, the author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad. He said, and I quote, "The richest people in the world build networks. Everyone else is trained to look for work." That is exactly what is happening in our society today. Only 1% of the population is dedicated to building their dreams in life. They shun every distraction, say no to every excuse, and they build their own business that will help them to live their dreams. Then finally, they will be the ones that will employ the other 99% of others who are so lazy to live their dreams. One fact I want to establish here is that every job you see out there is created by a business. What I mean is this: underneath any job you see out there is a big business built by a man or men who believes in their dreams and purpose in life. So business is like a skillful fisherman with his fishing net in front of a big ocean, while a job is like a gift of a piece of fish. Most people in our society, especially the graduates, always beg to work hard for a piece of fish every month instead of learning the skills to do the fishing themselves. Anything that is worthwhile requires work, patience and failures. Anything that will stand the test of time must be built through a process. Any wealthy man you see today took time to build networks. Network of information, network of employees, network of opportunities, network of men. If you want to make it so big as a big business owner in Boss, then you must learn how to build network of business partners. Fortunately, our team will teach you how to build your business professionally. Boss International will pay you every day when you share this opportunity with others. Imagine if you had invested in Coca-Cola company and they also promised you to pay you for building a team of investors in Coca-Cola simply by sharing the opportunity with other people to also invest in Coca-Cola. Imagine how great that could have been. But the truth is that such opportunity was not offered to you. But today, Boss International is giving you an open check for you to determine the size of your income every day, every week and every month through team building. As for me, Engineer Chris, the big boss, the project manager of Boss Income Project 500, I want to earn at least 200 million naira in Boss International in my first 365 days. That is my financial goal and I can't afford to be lazy. I must wake up early every morning and build my God's-given business. I must pay the price for the success I desire. So if you want to make big money like me, then join me, let's work together and succeed together. Now, you are not going to be a talkative in this business. In fact, you will not succeed big in this business if you talk too much. This business is not a talking business, but a sharing business. Our team has packaged convenient business tools for you to succeed in Boss International without stress. Imagine if you pick the interest of your friends and contacts and you share this video you're watching right now with them. Then it will solve all the problems, you know. So with this video, you can tell more than 20 of your friends and enemies about this opportunity without opening your mouth. You can also invite your prospect to also join our Zoom business presentation or WhatsApp presentation. We also tour around cities and hold live seminars, radio programs, Facebook campaigns, etc. You can join us in this movement and we'll build together, okay? Above all, we have super business training that will help you to improve the business knowledge of yours in this business, okay? So there are many reasons to join Boss Business Opportunity. There are many reasons to join our team. You get trained and you make money, okay? Now, the fourth way you make money in Boss International is through what is called direct referral income. Remember that all the ways of making money here, anybody that joins our business is entitled to earn money from all of them, okay? Now, this is what direct referral income is all about. For any partner you personally connect to invest in this business, Boss International will say thank you with a certain amount of money called referral income, okay? For instance, if you connect somebody that will join with bronze package, that's 13,650 naira, you will get 700 naira immediately as referral income. If you notice, that is about 5% of the registration amount. Okay, now if you connect somebody to join on silver in this business, you get 2,100 naira referral income. If you connect gold, you get 4,900. If you connect platinum, you get 10,500 referral income immediately. If you connect sapphire, you get 21,700 naira immediately. If you connect ruby, you get 44,100 naira. If you connect somebody that will join with emerald, you get 88,900 naira in this business as direct referral income. If you connect diamond to join this business, you are making 178,500 naira. That's how much the company will say thank you for joining the business. And remember, it's just 5% of the package the person joins with is your referral income. Okay, now let's imagine what your earning will look like if you really take this business serious. Okay, imagine if you seriously share this opportunity every day and you refer 10 persons that will invest in silver package in a month in this business. That will give you additional 21,000 naira as direct referral income alone. If you refer 10 persons that will join with gold package in a month, that was additional 49,000 naira for you in this business as direct referral income. What if you refer 10 persons that will join with sapphire package in Boss International? You know what happens? The company will pay you additional 207,000 naira for you as direct referral income in a month. Okay, and if you refer 10 persons that will connect with diamond package in a month in this business, that will earn you additional 1.78 million naira as referral income. Okay, now listen to this. People get jobs in the bank and other institutions, and they pay them peanuts every month and give them big targets to get customers that can open accounts with total of 30 million, with total of 50 million naira in a month. These employees will continue to suffer and push the target because it is called a job. But in Boss International, no one gives you a target. You are the boss of your own. All you need to do is to work diligently in your own hours and get better results and better earning. With Boss International, you can even fire your own boss and be the new boss. Okay, now the fifth way you get paid in this business is what is called pairing bonus. Okay, this is how it works. Every business package in Boss International has corresponding point value PV associated with it. Any bronze package in your team gives you 15 PV. Okay, that's 1 bronze. Any silver package in your team gives you 45 PV. That's 3 bronze. Any gold package in your team gives you 105 PV. That's 7 bronze. Okay, any platinum package gives you 225 PV. If you check it, that's about 15 bronze. Okay, if you have any sapphire in your team, that's 465 PV. That's about 31 bronze. If you have ruby, that's 945 PV. That's 63 bronze. If you have emerald in your team, that's 1905 PV. That's 127 bronze. Okay, and then diamond package will give you 3,825 PV in your team, and that's about 255 bronze. Now the company says every 15 PV on your left pays or matches with 15 PV on your right to pay you the upline 1,050 naira, irrespective of who brought the person, irrespective of the team, of the generation where it comes from. Provided it's in your team, you will be paid. Okay, it's as good as saying any 1 bronze on your left will match with 1 bronze on your right to pay you 1,050 naira. I hope you understand that. Now let's assume you join this business today and you refer 1 bronze, that's 15 PV on your left, and 1 bronze, 15 PV on your right. You will earn the pairing bonus of 1,050 naira. I hope you understand. Remember, you also earn the direct referral bonuses of those people. I hope you understand. Let's assume tomorrow or anytime someone in your team connects 1 silver, that's 45 PV. If you check it, that's about 3 bronze on your left, and another person connects another silver on your right. Okay, that's 45 PV, that's 3 bronze again. You know what you earn? You will earn 1,050 naira in 3 places. That is 3,150 naira. I hope you understand. Remember, you are earning the money, and those people under you are also earning the money. If you have anyone that joins your business with gold, that's 105 PV. If you check it, that's about 7 bronze on your left hand side, and another gold, that's 105 PV on your right. You will earn 1,050 naira in 7 places. That will give you 7,350 naira. What if you have a diamond package on your left? That's 3,825 PV. Okay, and that is 255 bronze. And then an emerald package, that's 1,905 PV on your right. That's 127 bronze on your right hand side. It means that all the PV of emerald will be paid up, and the excess of diamond will also be kept for you. Now this is what happens. It therefore means that you will earn 1,050 naira in 127 places. Okay, which will give you a total of 133,350 naira, and the excess of 1,920 PV, that's about 128 bronze, will still be kept and be waiting for you at the other side. I hope you understand. For further earning and further pairing in this business. Have you seen why I told you to join Boss? Every day is a good day for us in terms of earning. Now, this is the potential earning you will make from pairing income in Boss International when you apply the strategy of our team. If you sign up with silver package in our team, you will have potential earning of over 11.3 million naira pairing income in the next 365 days. That's 1 year. If you come into this business as gold and you build your business strong, you are sure to make potential of 20 million naira pairing income alone in this business in the next 365 days. That's 1 year. Platinum package will give you over 30 million naira pairing income potential. By the time you build your business as a diamond member in this business, you are sure to get potential earning of over 100 million naira pairing income in the next 365 days. Our Team Boss Income Project 500 is so determined to help all the members of our team to succeed in this business. When you join our team, we shall give you super business training on how to break the Boss Millionaires code. Connect with us today and let's make some money together. All right, the sixth way you make money in this Boss International company is through the retail profit. As a partner with Boss International company, you have the privilege of buying Boss perfume at the company's price and sell for huge profit. The company's price of the perfume is 2,270 naira. If you sell at 3,500, that will give you 50% profit. If you sell at the company's suggested retail price, which is 4,540 naira, you will make about 100% profit in this business. This is really great. It's really interesting to join Boss International company. Now, the seventh way you make money in this business is through the uni-level bonus. I call it the oil well in Boss International. Our team has a strategy, which is when you join this business, in your first 30 days, if you want to grow with us, make sure you refer at least 5 active business partners personally to this business and teach those 5 persons to apply our strategies too. Okay, remember, you have the video tools, you have other system tools to help you to do this. You are not going to do it with your own strength. Let's assume these are the first 5 people you registered directly in this business, and they connected their own 5 people each in your level 2, and it goes down and down up to your 10th generation. In the next 1 year in this business, with the power of teamwork, you could have built more than tens and hundreds of thousands of people in your team. Okay, some will be buying thousands of perfume to resell, some will be buying cartons, some will be buying one. Remember, there is retail profit in this business, so some people will be buying this product to resell to make money. Some will be buying this product as souvenir to their friends for their birthday parties. Some will be buying to give people as gifts. Some will be buying for different reasons in this business. Now, Boss International said, for any bottle of perfume purchased from your first generation to your 5th generation by anyone, you will make 35 naira from each bottle of perfume. You can imagine that. Also, for any bottle of perfume purchased from your 6th generation to your 10th generation, you will make 21 naira residual income from each of them. Do you see that? Just imagine making little money from every bottle of Coke sold every day in your state or your city. Same opportunity is here for you in Boss. Uni-level bonus alone can give you up to 1 billion naira income within 1 year. Now you see why I called it the oil money of Boss International. That is not all. The 8th income source in Boss International company is called the Infinity Bonus. How do I get paid in this business? I know that's the question in your heart. All your earnings in Boss International will be paid directly into your bank account, no matter the bank you are using. So every Monday you log into your account and you withdraw your money, as you can see on the screen. And every Friday is the payday. That is credit alert day for all of us. So every Friday is Good Friday for us. Also, Boss has great gifts and incentives for their leaders and those who are working hard in this business. Gifts like Boss Magic Cup, like Boss Cap, Boss Umbrella, Big Boss and Lady Boss jackets, and all that incentives that are coming. Also, as you are making your big money in this business, some percentage of your earning will be taken and saved up for you, for your car incentive, for your all expenses paid trip to the beautiful places in the world, for your laptop, for your iPad, for your tablet, for your phones, etc. Okay, imagine you are making your money and some part of your money is being saved up for you for all these incentives. All right, it's time to live your dream and share your big success story to the world. With Boss International, you can write your own paycheck in this business. With Boss International, you can buy your own dream car and build yourself that dream home. With Boss International opportunity, you can always send your children to the best school in town and take good vacation with your family. With Boss International opportunity, you can meet a lot of great people in life and motivate many people around the world when you have made it as the Boss Millionaire. Welcome to Team Boss Income Project 500, or Team BIP 500 for short. We are the best team in Boss International business community. Our business goal is to create at least 500 Boss millionaires every 365 days, and we want you to be part of this big business project. Our team is ready for you, and we have many business tools to help you to succeed in this business. The video you are watching right now is a product of Team BIP 500. So I encourage you to join us today. I want to personally work with you in this business. Make your payment right here in the company's Access Bank or Zenith Bank account. The account name and the account number is there. After payment, please send your proof of payment and other details to the person that shared this video with you. Boss International business just started in Nigeria. So if you connect today as one of the pioneers, you will be celebrated tomorrow as one of the top leaders. This is the company's office in the Philippines. The address is there, you can check it up. Now this is the Boss office in Awuse Estate, Opebi, Ikeja, Nigeria. Now this is our mother team, Dreamcatchers Philippines, and their great partners and achievements. Boss is indeed the next big thing happening in the business world, and you don't have to miss out in this opportunity. Join us today. The higher the package, the better, like I told you. Within 1 year and 6 months of successful business operation of Boss International in the Philippines, the company produced lots of millionaires and car achievers in the Philippines. We can do more than that here in Nigeria. You too can be celebrated as one of the great leaders and one of the achievers here in Nigeria. Remember what Warren Buffett said: if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That is more reason why you need to connect to this opportunity today. Start a global business today. Start a family business today. You are now the boss of your life, so you have to start making executive decisions. The business is about to start. Are you ready to dive in? I am still your friend, Engineer Chris, the Big Boss. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you at the Millionaire Circle Award. See you at the top.